We're just adding there. How about this one? It's 1:39. What is this closer to, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock?
2.
2 o'clock. And we're talking about 1:39. So how many minutes until 2 o'clock?
19. Or I mean
21.
21. 21 minutes. So in French we'll say il est 2 heures. It's 2 o'clock, 2 hours, minus moins
21.
21. Say again. I heard you. I just want to hear. I want to like hear several people. 2 heures moins 21. Okay? So it's all a matter of counting. If you have to go like this, not a problem. Like on your test on a quiz. Because this is a different way of thinking about time. We don't think about it like this, right? To us, this is 1:39, right? To them, this is 2 o'clock minus 21 minutes. The French people. So they probably sit in English class.
Really smart.
They're probably really good at doing fast subtraction, that's for sure. I don't know if their math, if it does anything else for their math skills, but they're probably subtraction, they got it down. But French people probably sit in English class going, why do they, I don't understand this. Why do they do it like this? Why don't they just say minus? It's so much easier. Because that's how they grew up, right?
Is it
For them
something that
it
they
is.
just like not even good subtraction, they just like do it to memorize everything?
You know what? That's a good point. That probably is true. It just became second nature, so they don't even have to think about it. Like, and then they'll see that they're like, oh, moins 21. What can't I do? Moins 21. Like, just comes to mind. You're probably right. It just comes to second nature.
Does their clocks look different than ours then?
No. Pas comme ça. But they do use military time a lot. So a clock like that will look the same. But their phones, for instance, they'll have military time on. And like schedules, you'll see some schedules later this week. They have used military time, which confuses me. Still, I try. But it confuses me. It's a little bit better now? Yeah? Okay. Let me see if I have another one. Oh, okay, how about this one? Hilarious.
AM or PM?
Okay. Hilarious.
Midi.
Midi?
Could be
So
both.
how would you say it is noon? Midi. Très bien, il est midi. What is this with the wolf and the youth and howling?
It's menu.
Il est minuit. Très bien. Il est minuit. Good. Those are your two ways. Do they sometimes say 12 o'clock? Il est 12 heures? We use them. Sometimes we do and sometimes they do. It's 12 o'clock, but usually they'll say it's noon or it's midnight.
I always say it's 12 o'clock.
You always say 12 o'clock?
Yeah.
Well, there you go. What? So that's our little time introduction. I don't let that simmer. Overwhelm or let it simmer in your brain. Let the whole idea of subtraction with time telling simmer in your brain, because that's just different, right?